Hey guys, how you doing? There is a smudge on my glasses right there and it's driving me nuts. So I'm gonna go quickly clean my glasses and I'll meet you back here for another Lazy Man episode. What, there's only 5 ingredients? That's it. We got salt, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, garlic, and butter. You guys ready? Yeah, there's butter here, I swear. See? Okay, first thing we're gonna do on a low flame is melt the butter. Add in your heavy whipping cream. Put in your garlic. Now put in your cheese. And we're gonna give it a good stir to melt it all together, and it should come out beautiful. Okay, the goal is for this to taste like Alfredo sauce. And if so, that was a way lazy version. Look how beautiful this looks. Fills a hole. I made a double batch, which filled this whole jar. So I'm gonna let this cool for a minute, and then I'm gonna give it a taste and let you know. Okay, so I put some in a bowl and let it cool for a while, and now I'm gonna try it out, okay? And if this comes out good, this is super easy Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna make a lot of dishes this way. Here we go. It's cheesier than Alfredo sauce. It is Alfredo sauce, but there's so much cheese in there. I can taste the garlic. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It takes 2 minutes to make. Throw it on some pasta zero. Throw it with some sausage in there. I think I'm going to do that next, all right? You guys take care and have a great day.